Alright guys, in this video, you will know how to learn to code for free. A huge misconception in the coding space is that you need to go to college or a boot camp or pay thousands of dollars to somebody to learn how to program. This is very far from the truth. You don't need to do this. You can actually learn to code for free, and you're gonna learn in this video. So this is the roadmap I've been taking, and it's for anyone that wants to learn full stack development. If you're not learning full stack development, then this may not be for you, but this may also apply to front end development and back end development. So yeah, with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing you will want to do is CS50. This is an awesome course to start with, just because you will learn everything there is to know about a computer and programming. You're learning the basics. It's very easy to learn. And though it may be a bit of a challenge, you will learn a lot and you'll understand the basics of programming. I didn't start here, but I wish I did. This is the best starter course, literally for anyone at any level. Now, after you've done the course CS50 at Harvard, you will then start with HTML and CSS. Now you may say, oh, everything's paid online. No, it isn't. There is a free Codecamp course. Free Codecamp is going to be your best friend. It is called the Responsive Web Design course. It has everything you need. Everything. You learn CSS, you learn a bit of HTML, and overall, it's an amazing tool to learn code. Here you'll just learn about websites, you will learn how to design websites, and overall just make stuff on the web. The really important stuff if you want to be a full stack developer. Now, so once you've gotten the HTML and CSS done with, you'll then move on to your first true programming language, that being JavaScript. Some people may want to learn Python. I prefer JavaScript because it is very important in the world of the web. There's also a free Codecamp course on here, and again, it is beautiful. You've learned everything from the basics of JavaScript to responsive JavaScript to more complicated stuff like for loops, if statements, expressions. You know the gist, guys. This is an amazing course. You will find it hard, I'm not gonna lie. It's not easy, but very well done, and it's free. So how could you go wrong with that? So now, let's say you have learned HTML, CSS, you've gone through the CS50 course, you have learned JavaScript. That probably would have taken you around 3 to 4 months in of itself. Now it's time to learn React. React is a framework. You'll learn more about that when you do the courses. It's a framework used by JavaScript, and it was made by Facebook, I believe. And again, guys, you just learn on YouTube. There's this YouTuber called Mosh. I totally recommend you check out his videos. He basically just posts about tutorials and how to learn stuff, and this is an amazing course to start with. It's React tutorials for beginners. And you may think that learning on YouTube is not that helpful. Personally, I love YouTube because there's so much to learn and it's all for free, guys. So go on YouTube, not only watch that video by Mosh, but watch tutorials on React. Learn how to make a React app. And all you got to do, guys, is just learn by doing. So watch a tutorial, watch a video, and then go ahead and make your own project or follow a tutorial and copy what's going on and then changing it up a little bit. You know the method, guys. It's the only way you're going to learn, but React is amazing. It's an amazing way to level up your skills because most companies want a React developer. Now, and finally, so once you've learned React, you're going to learn MERNstack. MERNstack stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. A YouTuber by the name of Small James, he showed me this. This is the ultimate stack because you have everything you need for a full stack develop. And again, it's gonna be free Codecamp. So there's a course here that is made by Free Codecamp. It's called Backend Development and APIs. And you're just learning about MERNstack. So you're learning about MongoDB databases, you're learning about Express, and overall, it is beautiful. It is a really good way to learn backend development. Now, finally, I'd just like to talk about the study routine because a lot of people get it wrong. Don't only do tutorials. Don't only learn through videos. Don't only learn through coding. Do a mix of it, guys. learn a little bit through learning by doing, learn a little bit from tutorials and personal projects, and get hands-on application. If you want a study routine, learn the thing through a video. So let's say you're learning React. Watch videos on React, understand the theory behind React, watch a tutorial, go along with the tutorial, while going along with the tutorial, change it up a little bit. So if you're, let's say, following a to-do app tutorial, maybe change up the design, maybe change the color, change the font, change the functionality, add a feature. Stuff like that is the only way you are going to learn programming and the only way you're going to get ahead in your programming. It's the only way, guys. You're not going to cheat the system. Do it, learn by doing, get your hands dirty. Yes, you're going to suck. Yes, it's going to hurt. Yes, you're not going to get it right away, but you eventually will, and you're going to thank me for it. Anyways, guys, that has been the video. If you want the PDF or if you want the Notion template, it'll be in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.